Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a way you can change your look. I'm going to be doing it 3 ways with this bandana. And I have been wearing this bandana all week and love it, so I wanted to show you guys how I style it. Alright, so enough talking. Let's cue that music and I'll show you guys how I style my bandana.
All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. I'm about to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same.
Well, that's it. That's the 3 simple ways that you can style a bandana to add a little va-va-voom to your look. I think it just adds a little pop of something. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe below. I would love to see you back. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.